Hi guys! I bet you know there is a new LOL series #Hairgoals and it have real hair. And know what? Today we will unpack one and take a look for a fake one. Let's go! As you can see, the fake one has a carton box. Let's take it out. So the original one is wider and shorter. So the colors on the original one is really bright. And it weighs a little bit bigger, I think. So the original one says LOL surprise #Hairgoals. And the fake one says LOL surprise #Hairgoals. Hairspray ultra hold. Let's unzip the first layer. Here is our first layer. It says a monster and a hair plus Friday 13. I don't know what it means. And bad hair day. And let's unzip the fake one. Where's the zipper? There is no zipper over here. Okay. Here is nothing. On the original one, you can't see the doll yet, but on the fake one, it says LOL, but this is not right. And you can see the doll now. So let's unzip the second layer. So here is some stickers like this, and I can't take the layer off. So, okay. Here is our hairspray. Open the second layer. How I could open these? And here is nothing. Here are our two LOL dolls. So let's open the first layer on the fake one. Here is the bag, and woo! Here is the answer. And it is crown and a bee. So let's open the bag. Oh, on all of the LOLs that I was having, they are not. Here is blind bags. I don't know why. Here's boots, bottle, second boot, and the hairbrush. It's pretty with a butterfly. So let's open the layer with a LOL doll fake one. Where it's opening. Yep. Here's not a blind bag. See, it was in the fake one. It's blind and it is smaller. And this is, you can't see what is inside of it. And this is for the first one, for the original LOL. So we will put this thing. Here's the stander for the legs of our LOL doll. Let's open this thing. Why is it not opening? I will open now this thing. Oh, here is a hat and our jewelry and something for this thing, mirror, and the catalog. It has really many pretty girls. But I think it is catalog not from this doll. Because I have at home these two dolls and this. Now let's open our blind bags. And this things. It's metal and this is something like this thing. But it is all by pieces. So, ooh, hair. Why I'm seeing only hat? So this is her clothes. It's all pink. And let's take our doll together. Nope. Nope. Yay! So, where's her neck? She's looking like this. It has really pretty pink hair. Let's put the clothes on. The clothes never will be on her. Here is it. Oh, I forget boots. Yeah, boots are bigger at the size of her leg. See how I need to put it. So, here is the doll of the fake one. I don't see it on the catalog at all, so I can't tell you anything about her. The mirror and hat, and I can't make this stuff, so it needs to be something like this. So let's unbox the original one. The bag. Ooh, her pretty clothes. Like this. Ooh, this thing is the seat. Where is the second one of the seats? Second piece of the seat. I find it. This is pretty. The seat. So, why you can't open normally? So, sorry for the pause. My mom helped me for opening this. Here is the catalog of the girls of this. And on the fake one, it is no dolls like this. I think we will open the doll on the end. And now I will open these rolls. And I remember then in the fake one, no rolls like this. Like this and like this. Oh, it's so pretty. The necklace. The second one. The bottle. The pink bottle with a sprinkles. And 2 more bags. Prettiest boots. They're so small and pretty. The second bag. Ooh, it is so cute. I think this is for her hair. Like this. So let's open the most popular is the doll. First of all, I will take the eyes off. I don't know why, but my doll is gold. Oh, she has not normal hair. Like this. And now I will take the boots off and easily take off this thing. Dress, whatever it's called. Let's take her clothes on her. The shirt and the skirt. Take it on. I don't know what this thing is. Where it needs to be. Okay, one boot and the second one. Oh, I forgot about necklace. Never could put necklace without the taking out head. So let's clean it all up and get to conclusions. So the original capsule comes with a handle so you can take it somewhere with you, with 2 hair rolls and a chair, and many accessories for your doll. By the way, not every doll have real hair, but the ones without real hair comes in a golden capsule, and it means they are really rare. So, my doll have cream sparkly hair with waves, some pink pretty shoes, and pretty pink sparkly suit. So she is blonde with a sparkly suit. Let's see what we have in a fake one. The fake doll has really strange wearing, whatever it's called, boots that are easily falling off her, skirt that never comes on her, small top, and by the way, she have hair. And curls are really pink and good and whatever. The capsule don't have seat, but it's opening over here. It is the pink one. It is not that good like the gold one, but it is with a hair. And it have mirror, and I don't know why, but the original one don't have mirror. My fake one has plastic pink hat, this strange bottle. Oh, it's opening, and it's have a hole over here, so you can put some water in, close it, and make your doll drink. But this thing it's so big, so it's don't coming in. It has handle, it's metal, but I never know how to take all of this stuff together. This sticker and a thing for hair. Here is our LOL fake one and LOL original one. So I really like both of them, but I like more my original one because it's cuter than this little monster. So the quality of the fake one is worse, but the hair is really pretty. This capsule is better at all, whatever, is better, and it's gold. And the doll don't have hair, but she is really cute and sparkly. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to see more videos like DIYs, challenges, and unboxing. Give it a big thumbs up and bye! I love you guys!